Welcome back, auto detailers. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 steamers for auto detailing. These steamers are powerful tools that help you achieve chemical-free cleaning, making your detailing process more efficient and eco-friendly. Links to all products can be found in the description below. So, let's get started. 1. McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe Canister Steam System. With its hot, pressured steam, the MC1385 eliminates grease, grime, and stains from various surfaces, including ceramic tile, grout, granite, sealed wood flooring, appliances, and even cars. With a max steam time of 90 minutes, this steamer is equipped with 23 versatile accessories, such as floor mops, nylon brushes, angled nozzles, and more. It also has a large capacity tank, heating up in under 12 minutes, providing up to 120 minutes of steam. For those hard-to-reach places, the MC1385 offers greater reach with its extra-long 18-foot power cord and 10-foot steam hose. 2. Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner. This steam cleaner boasts a high temperature of up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for multi-purpose cleaning in your home and cars. With its heavy-duty and large-capacity design, you can enjoy up to 50 minutes of cleaning time per fill-up. No need for expensive special pads. Simply use any regular towel or cloth. 3. Vapamore Mr. 100 Primo Steam Cleaning System. This steam cleaner brings the power of professional-grade steam cleaning to your home and auto interiors. With its 1.6-liter tank, it delivers steam at 220 degrees Fahrenheit continuously for up to 60 minutes. The Vapamore Mr. 100 Primo uses only water, providing the cleaning power of ultra-high temperature, low-moisture steam. Equipped with over 20 attachments and extensions, including a retractable cord, this steam cleaner simplifies your cleaning process. You can disinfect multiple surfaces like auto interiors, ovens, grills, showers, and even carpets. 4. Wagner Spraytech 0282014-915E On-Demand Steam Cleaner. As the name suggests, this steamer uses nothing but chemical-free steam to clean auto interiors and various household surfaces. With 18 included attachments and nozzles, you can easily loosen and dissolve dirt, grease, and grime on floors, carpets, grout, kitchen countertops, appliances, and more. With a high temperature of up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit and a runtime of up to 40 continuous minutes on a full tank, you can tackle tough cleaning tasks effectively. 5. Vapamore Mr. 75 Amico Handheld Steam Cleaner. Don't let its compact size fool you. This handheld steam cleaner packs a punch. With its high-capacity tank and steam temperature of 210 degrees Fahrenheit, it's perfect for cleaning bathrooms, kitchens, floors, cars, and more. Like other Vapamore products, the Mr. 75 Amico allows you to sanitize without chemicals. Its ultra-high temperature, low-moisture steam kills germs, dust mites, mold, and mildew. Weighing only 3.5 pounds, this lightweight steam cleaner is ideal for high-performance cleaning on the go. It comes with 17 attachments, enabling you to disinfect vehicle interiors, mirrors, carpets, upholstery, and hard surfaces. And there you have it, folks. Our top 5 steamers for auto detailing. Links to all products can be found in the description below. These powerful tools offer chemical-free cleaning, exceptional performance, and the convenience you need for your detailing tasks. Don't forget to hit that like button and click on the subscribe button below to stay updated with our latest videos on auto detailing tips, product reviews, and more. Thanks for watching, and happy detailing!